Hi guys, welcome to Mel's Scuba World on YouTube. My name is Melissa. You can call me Mel for short, and I am a blessed PADI scuba diver. And you can follow me on Instagram, mel.scubaworld. You are more than welcome to share my videos. After all, sharing is caring. So today I want to talk about facts. A swimming student of mine, a potential and curious diver to want to know how a scuba diver can contribute to sea life. The facts that once you become a scuba diver, we tend to want to protect the marine lives. So, number one, diving and experience the rich beauty in an untouched nature is the best way to interact with marine lives, and respecting the ocean is a huge part of being a diver. The world down there is beyond your imagination. I'm not over exaggerating, but it is definitely our job to be the voice of them. So number two, you will be in a very earthy community. Many divers feel the earth is being abused, especially our beloved ocean, and we, majority of us, will participate in ocean conservation. The ocean is facing the greatest ever challenge: overfishing, pollution, climate change, all threatening the health of the resource on which the whole world depends. I believe divers play an important role as a citizen scientist. Aren't we all divers? If you haven't been a responsible diver, be it. Oh my god, if not, you shouldn't be diving, so you better act right. Oh yeah, by the way, if you see your dive guide touch things under the water, please tell them not to touch it. Or if you have to do it, report it to the dive manager. Number three, you will want to learn more in diving and continue education. For example, sign up for coral or fish ID or peak performance specialty or coral project aware. So you want to tend to want to clean up on land and also under the water. Like for me, I try to reduce my waste because I know my waste will go somewhere. Recycling is good, but reduce is better. Think before you buy. Be a thinker and a doer. Support instructor and dive center who are eco-friendly. Tell the dive friends of yours and about the dive center or that particular instructor who love a lot about the environment. We all share the same planet, so be responsible. So some people just don't get it. Educate them in a nicer way. Okay, for example, why is fish feeding is bad? Because the fish will go to your bread and eat your bread instead of the algae down there on the reefs. Then the reef will die because they can't breathe. The babies down there that they left to eat your bread will die. Okay, so I know you want to do a good thing, sweetheart, but this is not it. So indeed is a very good question, Puspa, which is my swimming student that want to be a diver. Okay, she will when she learns this swimming. So then again, you guys, please do not participate in anything to do with harassing or touching under the water. Okay, be an example. So that's it for now. If you have any other question or want me to make a video about anything related to diving or eco, just comment below. Also, please check out my blog at melscubaworld.blogspot.com. Don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube to learn more how to become a better diver and many things about diving or eco diving perhaps. I will have more videos coming out, and so stay tuned. Comment, share, like my videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching.